Welcome to DCE Solar, where innovation meets sustainability. Introducing our groundbreaking long-span fixed-tilt ground mount racking system, designed to overcome terrain challenges and maximize cost savings and quality assurance like never before. Our long span features structurally independent tables engineered to conquer diverse terrains with ease. With unmatched adjustability, it adapts effortlessly to up to a 20% grade, ensuring optimal performance in any environment. Constructed from high-grade galvanized steel to meet and exceed the life of the system, our solutions are built to last. The hot-dip galvanized driven beam and adjustment plate meet ASTM A123 standards, ensuring durability and reliability throughout the entire life of the system. Our long span allows for secure adjustment from 10 to 30 degrees, catering to your specific latitude requirements while facilitating easy wiring and maintenance. But that's not all. We offer specialized variations of the long span system to suit your unique needs. The Longspan S6 and S7 are engineered exclusively for First Solar Series 6 and Series 7 modules, which deliver unparalleled performance and efficiency. And for bifacial panel projects, meet the Longspan Bifacial, the industry's solution for maximizing panel performance by minimizing panel obstruction. Additionally, with multiple foundation options, it ensures quick installation times without compromising on quality. Choose DCE Solutions for your solar needs and experience the power of innovation, reliability, and sustainability.